Hi, today we're talking about self-evaluation form. So this is a self-evaluation form for the employees who can collect, view and manage their responses on any device. So basically you have got some of the fields for the employees to fill in to evaluate their self-performance and obviously once they submit these details you will be able to capture all the responses under the responses view which is present next to the form builder. So we will understand how this works. So let's go to the form builder, click on share form, and then click on copy form link. So this will copy the link of the entire form, and you can expose this link to the particular employee who is looking to self-evaluate their performance. So once you have this ready, you can just fill. They can just fill out all these details. I'm just randomly filling the details over here, and let's see how this exactly pans out. So I'm just putting in some random stuff over here with no particular reference to anything. Yeah, so I filled in all the details from the start to end. Now it's time to quickly submit the form and see how it works. So I'll just click on submit, and now you can see the response has been submitted. So if I go back to the evaluation form under the responses view, you can see the new response has come out over here. Okay, so this is purely how they quickly fill out the form and submit the form. Obviously, they can make you can make the changes to all the fields as per your preference. It will still work. Okay, I would also like to take this opportunity to talk about a new tool that is PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate bulk PDF documents. For this, it requires a Notion page, which acts as a source of the template file where you can define the entire document, and a Notion database which has the contents that you would like to replace on the Notion page to generate documents in bulk. So basically, you need a Notion page and a Notion database to generate documents in bulk. You can definitely check out this video at the bottom, which talks about invoices, and I have added a video which showcases how invoices are generated using a Notion page and a Notion database. And you can replicate the same process onto any kind of document for a use case. So please do check out PDF output for this. If you have any questions or queries, you can definitely contact me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to assist you with any of the issues. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.